Sebelum nonton, klik subscribe, like, dan share, juga bunyikan loncengnya ya.
Hello boys and girls, welcome to Storytime by Vision Kids. Today we are going to the ocean to listen to a story about the sea monster and the bossy fish. One morning, the sea monster is having a breakfast with his mom.
Mommy, we're getting a new student in my class. I bet he'll be nervous like I was.
Be a friend and show him around. I'm sure he'll feel comfortable in no time. The sea monster arrived at the school and he found his new friend, the new fish. The new fish didn't seem all that nervous. He said,
My old school had parties with rock music every Friday. I'm awesome at playing the drums.
The sea monster offered him a school tour anyway. Then they started in the music room. And then the new fish said,
We sang cooler song at my old school. Haven't you guys heard of the talking fish heads?
Then the sea monster showed him the cafeteria. And then the new fish said,
We had an algae bar at my old school.
Still not noticing that there's something wrong with the new fish, the sea monster took the new fish to the library. Then the new fish said,
I can read 10 books in a day.
In his mind, the sea monster said,
For someone so small, this new fish sure talk big.
And at the gym class, the new fish chose the sea monster for his team.
Yeah, I'm the slam dunk champ.
One day, the sea monster couldn't help noticing that his new friend was a little bossy. The new fish said,
Your pirate should look meaner. Don't put the treasure chest over there. Put it here and make it bigger. Maybe I should draw the treasure chest myself.
He didn't even want to share the blocks.
Sorry, I need this for my magic ocean castle.
And he totally hogged the dress-up clothes.
Hey, everybody, look! I'm a ninja cowboy dinosaur wizard.
And then one day at recess, the new fish gave everyone nicknames.
Oh, hey, Sunny Boy. Hey, Lurcher the Birch. And hi, Smelly Smelt. How is it going? And hey, what's that big mouth? And Sea Monster, you'll be Ernesthosaurus Rex from now on.
He would do anything for a laugh. Other students then think the same thought.
That new fish offered me a cupcake, but it was full of worms. Doesn't he know Carp is a vegetarian?
The next day, everybody was gathered at the swing set. The new fish was starting his own club.
Hey y'all! The Fresh Fish Club is for all of the cool fish. Lurch the Birch, come here. Big Mouth, Smelly Smelt, And of course, you too, Ernest. And I am the president.
The sea monster had always wanted to be in a club, and he loved his new glasses. But he noticed not everybody was wearing them.
Hey, how come you're not in the Fresh Fish Club?
Oh, he says we're too old and stodgy looking to join.
Come on, let's play dress up before you know who comes back.
And suddenly, his cool new sunglasses felt heavy on his snout. All the way home, the sea monster thought about old friends and new friends. He thought what kind of group could include everybody. And by the next morning, the sea monster had the perfect solution.
Hey, I decided I'd rather be a friend fish than a fresh fish. We'll do friend fish good deeds, like help Rock Bass rearrange his cave, or leave mayfly brownies in someone's cubby as a surprise. Mayfly brownies, count us in.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. Just looking cool gets boring after a while. Plus, it's really dark down here with these glasses.
Are crustaceans invited? Everybody are welcome.
And by lunch, the whole school had joined the Friend Fish Club.
Hey, we made this just for you. Hey friend, I thought you might like to borrow this book. Hey, let me help you with that.
Well, almost the whole school.
Hey, Ernest Rex, can I join your club? Of course, but call me Ernest, please. Great, I'll be the president. But I'm not sure we need a president. But we sure could use a drummer.
And finally, the sea monster, the bossy fish, and all the fish in the ocean could get along well, and they're playing music and have fun during the day. The end. Thank you so much for listening our story time. Goodbye.